Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to water your lawn. Understanding proper watering is crucial for a healthy, vibrant yard. Most lawns thrive with about 1 inch of water per week. This amount should be delivered through deep, infrequent sessions, which encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil. This practice helps your lawn become more resilient to dry periods and stress. The best time to water is typically between 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. Watering during these cooler hours minimizes water loss due to evaporation and allows the grass blades to dry before nightfall, preventing fungal diseases. You can easily measure the amount of water your lawn receives by placing a few empty tuna cans or a rain gauge in the watering area. Aim for about 1 inch. Knowing when your lawn needs water is key. If your grass looks dull, has a bluish-green tint, or if footprints remain after walking on it, it's likely thirsty. Conversely, yellowing grass or the presence of mushrooms might indicate overwatering. A simple test is to push a 6-inch screwdriver into the soil. If it goes in easily, your lawn has enough moisture. Your watering schedule isn't one-size-fits-all. It depends on several factors. For instance, sandy soils drain quickly, so they might need more frequent, lighter watering. Clay soils, however, hold moisture longer, meaning less frequent irrigation is necessary. Always consider your local weather conditions, current temperatures, and the specific type of grass you have when planning your watering routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.